Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve this problem using the concepts of trigonometry. So as per the problem, determine the values of x and theta. We have to find the value of x in this diagram and the value of theta in this second diagram. So let's start with the first diagram. We have to find the value of x. X is the length of side AE. Side AE is in triangle ABE and it is a right angle triangle. There is not enough information given in triangle ABE to find the value of x, so we have to analyze the other two triangles first and then we'll find the value of x. The first step is to find the measure of angle B in triangle BDE. In triangle BDE, we are given the measure of angle D and angle E. So we should find the measure of this angle B. The sum of angles in a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, our first step is let's assume the measure of angle B is Y. We have to solve this equation to find the value of y. 65 plus 55 is equal to 120. I get y equals 60 degrees. Next, we can find the measure of angle CBD in triangle BCD. Line segment AC is a straight line, so the three angles at point B should be supplementary angles. Their sum should be equal to 180 degrees because these are angles on a straight line. Let's assume angle CBD is equal to Z. So our next step is 90 degrees plus 60 degrees is equal to 150 degrees. I get Z equals 30 degrees. So that's the measure of angle CBD. Next, we should analyze triangle BCD to find the length of side BD because BD is a side that's shared by triangles BCD and BDE. So let's start with triangle BCD. In this triangle, we are given angle C 115 degrees and the length of side CD, which is 10 centimeter. This is not a right angle triangle. So we have to use sine law to find the length of side BD. The sine law equation will be next we can sub in the value of length of side DC and we can cross multiply sine 115 degrees to isolate BD. Now we can evaluate this expression. I get 18.13. and the unit is centimeters. So this is the length of side BD. Now we can use this information to find the length of side BE, because side BE is common to triangles BDE and ABE. We can use sine law to find the length of side BE. The sine law equation will be we can solve for BE by cross multiplying sine 55 degrees and subbing in BD as 18.13. Now we can evaluate this expression. I get 16.39 and the unit is centimeters. Now we can use this length of side BE to find x. We should analyze triangle ABE. Triangle ABE is a right angle triangle, so we can use SOHCAHTOA. For the given angle 70 degrees, the side BE is the opposite side and side AE is the hypotenuse. So we can use sine ratio to find the value of x. The formula for sine is opposite over hypotenuse. Next, we can cross multiply the x. Next, we can divide both sides by sine 70 degrees. We can evaluate this expression. I get 17.4 and the unit is centimeters. If we have to round to the nearest whole number, the final answer should be 17. So we are done with the first diagram. Now we can analyze the second diagram. In this diagram, we have to find the measure of angle theta in triangle ABC. We do not know any other angle or any side length in triangle ABC. So we have to analyze triangles ADB, ADC and BDC to find the lengths of sides AB, AC and BC in triangle ABC. Let's start by analyzing triangle ABD. Triangle ABD is a right angle triangle. We know the lengths of two sides AD, which is 15 centimeter, and BD, which is 18 centimeter. We can find the length of side AB using Pythagorean theorem equation because this is a right angle triangle. In this equation, C represents the length of hypotenuse, which is side AB. Now we have to solve for C. 18 square is equal to 324. 15 square is 225. Now we can add these numbers. Next we can apply square root to both sides. I get 23.43. And the unit is centimeters. So this is the length of side AB. Next we can find the length of side AC in triangle ADC. It is a right angle triangle and we are given the length of sides AD, which is 15 centimeter, and length of side DC, which is 14 centimeter. So we can use Pythagorean theorem. Side AC is the hypotenuse in this triangle. Now we can apply square root to both sides. I get C equals 20.52 and the unit is centimeters. So this is the length of side AC. Next we can find the length of side BC. BC is in triangle BCD. Triangle BCD is not a right angle triangle, so we cannot use Pythagorean theorem or SOHCAHTOA. We have to use sine law or cosine law. In triangle BCD, we are given the length of side BD, we are given the length of side CD, and we are given angle D. So this is the SAS case. So we can use cosine law to find the length of side BC. Let's assume the length of side BC is x. So the cosine law equation will be so this analysis is for triangle BCD. Now we have to solve for x. Next we can apply square root to both sides. I get 23.75 and the unit is centimeters. So this is the length of side BC. Now we can find the measure of angle theta in triangle ABC. We have the lengths of all three sides in triangle ABC. This is the SSS case, so we can use cosine law to find the measure of angle theta. Angle theta is opposite to side BC in triangle ABC, so we should start the cosine law equation with side BC. Now we can sub in the side lengths. Next, we can evaluate the square terms. (23.43 square plus 20.52 square is equal to Next, we can multiply 2 times 23.43 times 20.52. Next, we can combine the like terms 564.0625 and 970.0353. We can subtract 970.0353 from both sides. I get Next, we can divide both sides by negative 961.5672. I get Next, we can do the inverse of cos. I get 65 degrees. So this should be the final answer for the second diagram. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.